Hi everyone, I'm Nico and welcome back to another edition of Ruthless News. This week in Ruthless News, New Jersey school districts may turn to vape detectors to catch students. When New Jersey students come back from summer break, the schools have decided to step up their efforts to prevent vaping on school grounds. Many school districts are looking into new technology called Halo. This device detects regular smoke, methane, carbon dioxide, THC, and you guessed it, vape. The devices are already in 10 school districts in New Jersey, with more than 100 sending in requests. We support this effort to eliminate teen usage of our products. To find out more about these Halo devices, visit halosmartlabs.com. In other news, Wisconsin Department of Health Services issued a memo to healthcare providers and local and tribal health agencies, warning of a lung disease cluster in Milwaukee, Waukesha, and Winnebago counties. And the blame has been placed on vaping, sparking Wisconsin's Just Say No to Vaping campaign. Yet, what isn't being publicized is what these individuals were actually vaping. From what information is available, many of these people were not vaping e-juice, but rather THC pods bought illegally on the street, some of which was synthetic THC. We strongly urge everyone, don't buy, vape, or smoke products off the streets. What do you feel about these developments? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Nico from Ruthless News. Please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.